Welcome to Dwanco channel, your go-to source for motivation and inspiration. If you're looking to unlock new ways to earn passive income and achieve financial freedom, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll be diving into 7 powerful passive income ideas that can help you make $1,000 per month without lifting a finger. But before we get started, if you find this content helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content, and we love hearing your thoughts and ideas. So, let's jump in and start building that passive income together. 7 passive ideas to make $1,000 per month without lifting a finger. In today's fast-paced world, everyone is looking for ways to make extra money without adding more stress to their lives. The idea of earning a consistent $1,000 per month without lifting a finger might sound too good to be true, but with the right passive income strategies, it's entirely possible. The key to passive income is putting in some initial effort and then allowing your investments, ideas, or systems to work for you over time. Here are 7 passive income ideas that can help you achieve that goal. 1. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. Dividend-paying stocks are one of the most popular ways to earn passive income. By investing in companies that consistently pay dividends, you can receive regular payments without needing to sell your shares. The key is to choose stable companies with a history of paying dividends. Many investors build a diversified portfolio of these stocks, which can provide a reliable stream of income. With a well-balanced portfolio, earning $1,000 per month in dividends is achievable. The initial investment might be significant, but once you're set up, your money starts working for you. 2. Create and sell digital products. Digital products like ebooks, online courses, printables, or software can generate income long after they're created. The beauty of digital products is that they can be sold over and over again without additional work. If you have expertise in a particular field or a creative talent, consider creating something valuable that others would pay for. Platforms like Amazon, Udemy, and Etsy make it easy to sell your digital products. Once your product is live, you can continue to earn passive income as more customers discover and purchase it. 3. Invest in real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding allows you to invest in real estate projects with as little as a few $100s. Unlike traditional real estate investing, where you need to buy, manage, and sell properties, crowdfunding lets you invest passively. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul pool together funds from many investors to purchase properties. As these properties generate rental income or appreciate in value, you earn a share of the profits. The income you receive from real estate crowdfunding can be a steady source of passive income, contributing to your $1,000 per month goal. 4. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms connect borrowers with individual lenders like you. By lending your money to others, you can earn interest on the loans you provide. The key to successful peer-to-peer lending is to diversify your investments across many loans to reduce risk. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper make it easy to start lending with a relatively small amount of money. Over time, the interest payments from these loans can add up, providing you with a steady stream of passive income. 5. Build a niche website or blog. Building a niche website or blog can be a lucrative way to earn passive income through advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling products. The initial work involves setting up the website, creating content, and driving traffic to your site. However, once your site gains traction, it can generate income with minimal ongoing effort. By focusing on a specific niche, you can attract a dedicated audience interested in what you have to offer. With the right strategies, a niche website can easily bring in $1,000 per month through various monetization methods. 6. Create a YouTube channel. YouTube offers an excellent opportunity to earn passive income by creating video content. Once you've uploaded your videos, they can continue to generate views and add revenue for years to come. The key to success on YouTube is to create content that is valuable, entertaining, or educational to your target audience. Monetizing your channel through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing can lead to a steady stream of income. With enough videos and a growing subscriber base, reaching $1,000 per month is possible. 7. License your photography or artwork. If you're a photographer or artist, licensing your work can be a great way to earn passive income. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images allow you to upload your photos or artwork and earn money every time someone purchases a license to use them. This is a perfect example of doing the work once and reaping the benefits over time. As more people discover and purchase your work, your income can grow, helping you reach your $1,000 per month goal without ongoing effort. Conclusion: earning $1,000 per month without lifting a finger is not just a dream, it's a realistic goal with the right passive income strategies. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, creating digital products, investing in real estate crowdfunding, participating in peer-to-peer lending, building a niche website, creating a YouTube channel, or licensing your photography or artwork, you can create multiple streams of income that work for you. The initial effort required to set up these income streams is well worth it, as they can provide long-term financial security and freedom. Start exploring these ideas today and take the first step toward achieving your passive income goals.